Hello everyone, Joe Kama here. So I'm just going to show you a quick trick on how to, crop your picture out of a group photo so that it makes you look like you're the only person in that photo. So like, for example, there's this picture and there's a bunch of people in the picture. So I'm just going to crop out my picture so that it comes out like I was the only person in the photo, like make a portrait photo of myself. So we first crop out the picture that we want. And in this case, we're cropping out my picture. So that right about there. So we can crop that out like that. Then the next move is going to have, we're going to have to delete the two people on the sides. So we use the quick selection tool and we just select the subject. Okay, yeah, we use the quick selection tool, make a selection of our subject. Okay, so since we have multiple people in the picture, it is selected also this person here. So we can just edit that by canceling this selection here. Once we have our desired selection, once we have our desired selection, we can make a copy of our selection by pressing Ctrl and J. So there we have our selection there. It seems to have selected some part of the image. So we can just delete this with the eraser tool. Just erase that part. Don't worry about the hand, we will handle that. So I think this is okay. Yeah, okay, so we can just make a selection of our subject. So now on the background image, we go to select, then modify, and expand our selection. So we can expand it by 10 pixels. I think it's okay. 10 pixels is okay. So once you do that, just fill in our selection with content aware. Press Shift and F5 to pop up the fill menu and select content aware. Press OK. Let it do its magic. There we go. We can deselect. Then we can also now, with the quick selection tool, just select the person on the left. Once we do that, pop up the fill menu, content aware again. Then also select the other person. Once we've done that, content aware, fill, let it do its magic, and we're done. We can just clean up this repetitive pattern there. I think that's okay. Then we can bring back our subject. And we have this little hand over here, and we don't need this. So we select our subject again. We look it, then we select the hand right there. Then we bring up the fill menu, content aware again, and it fills it up. We unlock it, and then we get the eraser tool, reduce the size, then we can just erase this part right there. Zoom out, and there, you're done. That's how you crop out your photo out of a group photo, and the picture has to be in high res, of course, so that when you crop it out, it doesn't look distorted, or it doesn't look pixelated, or doesn't lose quality. So there, we went from, let me see if I still have the photo. Yeah, so we went from this to this. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.